Do you have good solid fences but they're too low? Ferals, deer, kangaroos, dogs are jumping over the top? Well, you don't have to tear it down, there's a better solution. Meet the PoleStar. This is a steel fence post extension that lifts your fence anywhere from 300mm to 750mm in height. It's strong and it's easy to attach. You can do it yourself. Let me show you how. Now I've just run out extra wires for the top of the fence and I have to attach them to the extension. This is where a new clip that they've just developed for the purpose comes into place. Now it looks like a dropper clip, but the new tool makes it much easier to use. All you do is put the clips where you want the wires to be located. Then all's left to do is use this new ag quip tool, which is basically a keyway on a piece of steel. Drop it over the top, bend them on, and they're not going anywhere. So if you've got problems with ferals jumping your standard height fences, but they're in good condition and you don't want to replace them, check out the PoleStar fence extensions. With the new clip and tool, the PoleStar has become a system for extending your fence that is super easy and super strong. Next time you need to extend your fence, I reckon you check out these guys. They work on both steel and timber fences. They're super easy to use and anyone can do it. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the little subscribe button because it lets me bring out new content every week and show you all the cool new stuff that's out there. I'll see you next week with something else. Check out the link in the description below.